Hello guys, so I just want to show you guys how to replace the auxiliary battery. I think this is a 2019 GLC43. I think the same with all the C class. So just want to show you guys, that's the part number right here. That's the part number. So to gain access, you actually have to remove a couple of things. The location is right here, it's right underneath right there. So sorry, it's gonna right there. That's the location. So what you need to do, you need to undo the carpet. To undo the carpet, you have to take this trim out. Very easy to take out. Just gonna lift up here and pull it out this way. After that, you have that one cover right there. Yeah, so this cover basically is just like this. 3 nuts, 10 mil right there. That's the 3 nuts. And after that, you'll see it is right there. One connector to unplug. And then yeah, that's it. Nice and easy. That's a new part. So yeah, very straightforward and easy.